Aries, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 22nd of August. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is Page of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and 10 of Wands. Person B's first card is 10 of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and Knight of Swords. Now bottom of the deck I have the Chariot card, which is Cancer energy. So it could be either you or your person who wants to move forward in this particular relationship, take this to the next level for some of you, or you want to go ahead and march forward to a totally different direction as well. Okay, now what I'm seeing here from the first set of cards for you Aries is you have a very childlike energy with this Page of Pentacles. But the good thing about this is you're offering a pentacle or you're about to receive a pentacle. Okay, in most cases you're going to offer a pentacle to somebody, but you still have a very immature energy right now. There is something that is happening and it's causing you a lot of stress with this Seven of Wands. Maybe if you're offering this pentacle to somebody and you feel that that person will not accept that pentacle, that's causing you stress. Or you may have already offered the pentacle and this person did not accept your pentacle, and that's what's causing you stress. Okay, so totally depends on what is your particular scenario, but there's something that is causing you stress, and it also is causing a little bit of exhaustion to you, because you feel that you are the only one putting in effort in that relationship, and the other person, your partner, your person, is not interested, or maybe they are not putting in the effort. Now person B's first card is the 10 of Pentacles. With that energy, that's a commitment energy where you're already committed, you have everything in place, your finances are in place, and with that you are doing really well for yourself. So everything is sorted and you have a very positive and a very nice life right now. Okay, this is something that this person either wants to achieve or they are already in that energy. What I'm seeing here is this person wants to achieve this, okay, but the steps that this person is taking towards that is very slow. Okay, with the Knight of Pentacles energy, the effort that they are putting in is really small, and that stresses you out because maybe you feel that this person is not interested to reach this 10 of Pentacles with you. Okay, now there's another thing that I see for this person is that they have the Knight of Swords energy, which means that this person has something that they need to tell you. They will rush in and tell you. With the Swords energy, that's not a very stable energy, so you might expect some unexpected or a very rushed kind of a communication from them. So something wherein they'll just rush in and tell you about something that they may have been hiding for some time now. Now let's quickly also see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see for you is Page of Pentacles, the Moon card, and the Two of Pentacles. Now Page of Pentacles again is a very childlike energy, but with the Pentacle energy it shows that there's some kind of a commitment, there's some kind of a stability that you are looking for. So you might offer, or you might get this offer from this person wherein they will offer you a pentacle and see if you'll accept it or not. If you accept, then they will try to go ahead and build on that particular relationship. Now the other two cards with the Moon energy, there is some secret that maybe you are hiding or your person is hiding, and that could involve taking care of two situations or two people, because there are two pentacles. Initially it starts with one pentacle, but with the Moon energy and two pentacles, this person is trying to juggle either two situations, two relationships, two jobs. It could be again anything, but there is some kind of a juggling that is happening from this person's end. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal also that can help you in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Danbarite. The crystal message is: are you focused on romance right now? Decide to create happiness and harmony and see an increase in loyal and caring friends in your life. Decide to accept love in your life. Allow the development of a new romantic relationship or the rekindling of an existing one. Now the message here from Archangel Shimol, I'll put that in the description box for you. You can read it out from there. With this, we'll quickly see what is the message for you and your person from the Moonology Oracle cards. So the message that I see for you is believe in the impossible. Now if in case, okay, you have lost faith in this particular relationship, or you have lost faith in life itself, okay, or anything positive, okay, you feel that nothing can happen, then that's not the case. Believe in the impossible and good things will happen. Okay, that's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.